Hi, first grade and hi, first grade families. I hope everybody is having a great day. I was just trying to make sure I had my notes up so I don't forget anything. Well, good morning. Today is Wednesday, September 30th, 2020. It is the last day of the month, the last day of September. So, first grade, do you know what month comes next? Yeah, October. And do you know what number month October is? September is the ninth month, so October would be the 10th month. Excellent. So we will have to update. I will update our date for us. It is day four. It is day four, so you will have art, and that will be at 12:15. So a different time, that different time for art special. Today is also the 21st day of school. So I've updated our money. We have one dime, two dimes, which equals 20 cents, and then one penny. So if we say this number the 10 way, which I don't know about you, but I'm learning and getting used to counting that way, and I can see where it makes sense and helps us to learn our two-digit numbers. But I would count this as 2, 10, 1, right? 2, 10, 1. And then tomorrow would be 2, 10, 2. That's right. Excellent. All right. If you would care to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, that will be great. Go ahead and do that, and then we'll talk about our schedule for today. All right. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, great. So today, coming out first thing at 9, you will have your math application problem for lesson 15. Then you will also have the Spelling City activity for you to take a practice spelling test through Spelling City. Now, if you ever would prefer to take a practice spelling test on paper, that's totally fine, and you could just snap a picture and attach it to that activity and send it if you would rather do that and practice on paper instead of practicing on Spelling City. If there's someone, a grown up or a sibling that could give you a practice spelling test, that's great if you ever would like to do that. If not, if Spelling City is working out well for you, go ahead and do that. But I just wanted to give the option someone had asked. So I just wanted to let you know that you can always take a practice spelling test on paper and just send a picture. All right. Then also there will be a vocabulary deep dive lesson. So you'll watch a learning video, and this one will also be from Miss Taylor this time. You'll hear from me later in the week, and there'll be a response. You'll be working on some new vocabulary from the story Biblio Burrow, for waiting for the Biblio Burrow. And then we'll have our 10 a.m. class with word building and our yellow book and our routine that we've been doing. These are the letters that you'll need for today's word building. Thank you again for getting those ahead of time. That's really helpful for our class time, so I really appreciate it. It's BEGJLOTV. So I'll type those in the schedule like I do each time, but just wanted to let you know those are the letters for today. And if you could please bring a blank dictation, word building dictation paper as well, like normal. Then after our 10 a.m. class, you can send a picture of your blank dictation paper and you'll have that high frequency word fill in the blank sentence attached to that same activity that will come out after our live 10 a.m. class. And then we will meet again at 1 for math, and then you'll have your problem set and exit ticket. So that pretty much sums up our day. Just as a quick reminder, if at some point during the day, if you could remember to read, to practice your fluency passage from your blue Wit and Wisdom workbook, that would be great. That was on page 7A again. So just to keep up practicing that each day. Some people are sending pictures of it when you practice. You're more than welcome to do that. That's great. You don't have to. I will let you know when you'll record yourself reading. But just wanted to remind everybody to keep just practicing, at least once a day. You can read to a grown up, a sibling, a stuffed animal, whoever you'd like to practice with. And that will be that. And then one last announcement for the next supply box pickup. I mentioned yesterday during our math class, and then I believe Dr. Miller had also sent an email a day or two ago with some updates letting you know that the next supply box for about the next month and a half worth of materials will be available on Friday, October 2nd, and you can come and pick up anytime between 12 and 5. And the boxes will be the same as you picked up, the first time. And if you could just please bring the Tomas and the Library Lady book back, we'll be finished up with this, and I'll be giving you the next 3 books. So I figured that way, it's less materials to keep track of. And if you could return this, there'll be a basket on the table that you can just stick this in, and then you'll get the new books, the next 3 books for Module 1. All right, so let me know if you have any questions or any troubles, if you need anything. And thanks again for everything. Have a great day, and I'll talk to everybody soon. Thank you.